Hello you guys, it's Katie and welcome back to another video. As you can see, today I am in my car, and that is because today I'm going to be going to a bunch of different stores to figure out how much yarn I can buy with only $20. So I have a $20 bill right here, and I am planning on not spending any more than this. If I do, it'll just be because of tax. But like I said, I have this and we are about to go around to some different stores and figure out how much I can get with just this $20. So my plan is to start out at the Dollar Tree, which sometimes they have yarn, sometimes they don't. Just depends on the location normally. I've found yarn at the one I'm about to go to a few different times, but I'm not gonna go like super far away. So I'm just gonna go to the one that's closest to my house and figure out if I can get any yarn there or not. And there's also a Tuesday morning in that shopping center that I'm going to be checking out as well to figure out if they have anything, because a lot of times they do have yarn and it's overstock yarn. So it's normally on clearance and at a pretty good discount. So I'm gonna see what I can find there as well. And just as a little reminder, if you guys do want to see more craft, crochet, or business videos from me, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and turn on the post notification bell. That way you know every single time I upload a brand new video. And with that, we're going to hit the road to try to find some yarn. Okay, so we have made it now, and I'm sorry if the lighting is very in and out. The sun is kind of setting right now. It's like 7 o'clock. But anyway, I am at Dollar Tree. I'm going to put on my mask and we're going to go in. I may or may not be able to vlog in there. It just depends how many people are in there and if there's copyrighted music playing. But either way, I can do a little montage showing what yarn they have, and then I can talk to you guys once I get out of the store. Okay, so we're back in my car. As you can tell, I went in the Dollar Tree and there was no yarn at all. I used to be able to find some in this Dollar Tree, so I don't know if it's just like a seasonal thing or what, but I could not find any. There's a Dollar General right there, as you can see. I might try that in just a second, but I am going to go to Tuesday morning first because I think they close earlier. Hopefully they're not already closed because it is like 7:13 now. But that was a little bit of a disappointment, but that's okay. But anyway, I am going to just drive over to the Tuesday morning and then we'll go inside and hope that I can find some stuff there. I drove over here and there's literally no lights on or anything. So I'm just gonna go back over there to the Dollar General, which I've never seen yarn there, but I'll just check while I'm here. And then if they don't have yarn either, I'm gonna go to Walmart, which isn't that far up the road either. So anyway, well, let's hope I have some luck somewhere. Okay, so yet again another store where I could not find anything. I walked around the whole store, nothing to be found. So I'm going to head over to Walmart, which I know they don't close until like 10 or 11. So I have a long while to look around there. And I guess all the yarn's gonna be coming from Walmart because every other place either doesn't have it or is closed. And I'm not trying to go like 20-30 minutes away from my house. So anyway, we shall see what I can find at Walmart. I know they do have quite a few cheap things at Walmart, so hopefully we shall find some good amount of yarn for $20. Okay, so I have made it to Walmart, and I actually had the thought if Aldi still has yarn, that might be good because there is an Aldi like right across the street from this Walmart. And I'm looking it up right now, the Aldi that's right here, and I'm gonna go and see. I did find that Aldi in the UK sells yarn, but I don't know about this Aldi, which they close at 8, so I may not be able to get over there in time because it's 7:30 now. But we'll see what Walmart has, see how long it takes me in Walmart. If I have some spare time before 8, before they close, I'll go over there and see. But anyway, for now I'm going to go in Walmart, and like I said with the other stores, if there's copyrighted music I won't be able to talk unfortunately while I'm in there, but I will record what the yarn section looks like and everything. So the lighting is like really bad and I'm sorry. It is now 8:08. It took me that long in there because I guess they're just so short-staffed that literally there was like 4 checkout lines open and a ton of people in there, like more than I've ever seen this time of night. I'm definitely not gonna be able to go to Aldi, by the way, because it's now 9 minutes past 8 and I definitely cannot go there when they're closed. But I am going to show you guys what I got. The total was $19.05. That is including tax, which I believe in Florida, the sales tax is 6%. So the actual yarn was $17.72, not including tax. But the cheapest brand was definitely Mainstay, which is Walmart's brand, or Mainstay, I think. Let me look. Mainstays was definitely the cheapest brand for yarn. Walmart is coming out with their own brand now, and it is very similar to Red Heart Super Savers, which is what I normally use. If you have ever watched this channel, you probably know that. But this is a gray color. Let me see if I can find the actual name of the color. I can't find the name on here, so either there's not a name or I'm just blind. If I find a name later, I will put it in the description box for you guys, and I will link it below as well. That way you can buy the yarn that I have here if you're interested. But this is the first one. It's just a gray color and it's 100% acrylic. Mainstays is the brand, like I said, so Walmart's brand, and it is 798 yards. This was definitely the best deal for how much it was. So this was $4.88, and this is the biggest ball that I got, definitely the most for your money. So next, I did get 2 Red Heart Super Savers just because I do actually think that I could do a project with these. But these are both in the color buff, and these are the 7-ounce balls, and they were both $3.44. And then I got 2 of these, which these are again by Mainstays. These are the 100% cotton yarns. One is just like a mint green color and one is white, and these were both $2.98. So that is all for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up. And if you would like to see more craft, crochet, or business videos from me, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. That way you know every single time I upload a brand new video. And if you guys do want to check out the yarn that I bought, as well as some other stuff from me, which is my social medias, my blog, my Etsy shop, and more videos of mine, that's always included in the description box below. And with all of that, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye! Oh my god. Now it's a car alarm. Jeez, it's so hard to film out in a parking lot. Holy crap, there's like a huge daddy long legs on my windshield. Good thing it's outside.